Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will learn how to send data wirelessly from an ESP32 to a laptop or any other device using Wi-Fi. This tutorial will be super useful in your IoT projects. I regularly post videos on embedded systems, IoT and electronics. So if you're interested in these topics, make sure to subscribe and hit that like button. To send data over Wi-Fi to your laptop, I'll be using something called as sockets. Sockets allow devices to communicate over a network by creating a connection between client and a server. In this tutorial, I'll be running a Python script on ESP32. If you're not sure how to run Python on ESP32, check out the link in the description for an easy step-by-step guide. Let's start by checking Wi-Fi connectivity on the ESP32 by writing a simple Python script. If the connection is successful, the ESP32 will obtain an IP address. This will confirm that it's connected to the network. Now that we have successfully connected to Wi-Fi, we can move on to reading sensor data. For this demonstration, I'm going to use a potentiometer as the input. It's a great choice because it's easy to troubleshoot and helps ensure our readings are accurate. However, you can use your own sensor data as well, depending on your project's needs. First, we'll initialize the ADC and read values from pin 34, which is connected to a potentiometer. Since the ESP32 operates on 3.3 voltage system, we should see voltage readings ranging from 0 volts to 3.3 volts, depending on the potentiometer's position. Since ADC is reading voltage correctly, it is time to set up socket communication between ESP32 and laptop. So what exactly are sockets? Think of them as virtual communication channels that allow two devices to exchange data over a network. In our case, ESP32 will act as client, initiating connection, while the laptop will act as a server, listening for incoming data. To establish this connection, the ESP32 needs to know the IP address of the laptop and the port number it should connect to. Once the connection is successful, the ESP32 can start sending sensor data and the laptop will receive and process it in real time. But for this to work, we will also need a Python script on the laptop to accept the connection and read the incoming data. And that's it. We have successfully connected the ESP32 to Wi-Fi, read sensor data, and sent it to a laptop using sockets. This method can be expanded for various IoT applications such as real-time monitoring, automation, and smart home systems. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more content on embedded systems and IoT. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.